Hey guys, today I want to talk about the environment and why you should care about it. I'm not gonna pretend I'm some big environmentalist and I do all kinds of things to reduce my footprint, but I do care about the environment and I try to do little things in my life to help. And even if they don't make that much of a difference, at least it makes me feel better about myself. The environment is a big deal. Climate change, pollution, deforestation, all that sort of thing. And I don't really get people who don't care at all about that stuff, because the argument that you won't be around for the effects of climate change and pollution is just wrong. Like, we are seeing the effects right now, like the fires in California and why the sun and sky is like bright red. Like, we are experiencing it now. Is it too late to save the earth? Possibly. But we can still make big changes. For example, like move to renewable energy. Like, I am definitely all for that. Renewable energy, yes, it's more expensive and oil is cheaper and all that, but we will run out of oil eventually. We'll run out of all of those non-renewable resources. It would be so cool to see into the future and see when we crumble as a society, because that will happen in 500 years and 1,000 years. Like, scientists know that's gonna happen, just like they know the sun will eventually burn out and all that sort of stuff. So it'd be really interesting to see how that actually happens, because the dystopian books and movies will become a reality. So zombie apocalypse will probably happen. Like, we already have really bad viruses, obviously, so it's only a matter of time before a virus becomes super bad and turns us into zombies. And that's probably inevitable as well, like super bugs. But anyway, we need to protect the environment. We need to think about the future of the human race. I want my kids to see wildlife, and all the endangered species makes me so sad. Like, I want my kids to see that, and I want my kids to not have to wear masks to breathe in the air, because they do that in other countries, not the US, luckily, not yet, but some of them they do have to, the air is really bad. So we need to make big changes, and that's where the government comes in. But also on a smaller scale, individuals can definitely try and do their part, as well as advocate and spread awareness and all that good stuff. And another problem, a big problem, is the meat industry and how bad that is for the environment. And I am not a vegetarian or vegan, but they are right. Like, if we were all vegan, that would be so good for the environment and for so many things. Like, the meat industry is horrible. I don't even want to know stuff about it because it's so horrible and gross. Ignorance is bliss. That's very hypocritical of me. So yeah, let's all care about the environment more. Let's urge our governments to care about the environment and place laws to protect them, and protect endangered species, and protect wildlife and forests and all that stuff. Thanks for listening to that.